In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a pizza. To make the dough, you're going to need 4 3/4 cups of flour, an additional half a cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1½ cups of warm water, an additional half a cup of warm water, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of sugar, and 1 package of dry yeast. Combine the half a cup of warm water, yeast, and sugar and let it sit for 5 minutes. Now add the 1½ cups of warm water, the 4 3/4 cups of flour, the oil, and the salt to the mixture. Using the bread hook attachment, beat on medium speed for about 5 minutes. Add the additional half a cup of flour a little at a time if needed to keep the dough from being too sticky. Coat a bowl with a tablespoon of olive oil. Place your dough in the bowl and toss to coat all sides. Now cover the bowl and place it in an oven that has the oven light turned on for 45 minutes. Remove the cover and punch. Now place the dough on wax paper and cut evenly into 4 pieces. Shape each section into a ball. Cover the dough again and place in the fridge for 30 minutes. To make the pizza sauce, you're going to need 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, a half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is simple enough. You're just going to mix everything together in a blender. Of course, you can customize your pizza any way you want it, but fresh grated cheese is a million times better than the bag stuff. Place the dough on a lightly floured surface. Putting your fingers together on both hands, you're going to put them at the edge of the dough, pull down toward the center of the dough, and push down. This is going to form the crust. Now you're going to flip it over and just smooth the edge that you just created. Now you're going to toss between both hands, pulling down, stretching the dough as you toss it. You can either do this or just while it's laying on the floured surface, stretch it with your hands. This is more fun. Now if you tore any holes in the dough, don't worry, just pinch the dough together and close it up. Place the dough on the pizza pan and you're going to bake in an oven that's been preheated to 500 degrees for 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the toppings. You're going to spread the sauce evenly to almost where you formed your crust. I like adding my cheese and then the toppings on top, but if you're the cheese on top kind of person, go for it. Place back in the oven and bake for about 8 minutes or until the crust is golden. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you try to make this, let me know what you think in the comments below. And of course, if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.